Hey DIYers, Mike Borges with the Mike Borges channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking toilets, and in the event that you are removing an old toilet to install a brand new toilet, there is a very important step you need to take prior to doing that. And in this video, we're going to talk about that single most important step to take. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, in the bathroom now, and again, the absolute single most important step to take prior to purchasing a brand new toilet is measuring the distance from the wall to your Johnny bolt connection point. And going down below, you will see this little cap here. Pop that cap off, and underneath that cap is the nut and Johnny bolt that secures the toilet to the lower flange. I will set that aside, and again, position your measuring tape as best you can, flush with the wall, and it should measure exactly 12 inches or 1 foot from the Johnny bolt. If yours is 1 foot exactly like shown here, you have a standard toilet install, meaning your options are very broad when it comes time to look for a brand new toilet. However, in the event that you have a different measurement from the Johnny bolt to the wall, you have a non-standard toilet install, and that is nothing to worry about. It will just limit the amount of toilets available when you are in the purchasing process. So I make this video because the last thing you want to do is purchase a standard toilet that has the Johnny bolt connection 1 foot from the wall, and that's taking into consideration your upper tank and the rear portion of the base for proper clearance. So keep that in mind. Again, a standard install is 12 inches wall to Johnny bolt, and a non-standard install is anything other than 1 foot or 12 inches. So hopefully this helps, YouTubers. What we are going to do is purchase a brand new toilet, remove this toilet, and install the new one. However, what we are going to do first is we are going to make a separate video that is going to show all the required parts and tools you will need for removing and installing a brand new toilet, and that video is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. You may find it very helpful. And we will also post links down below in the comment section as well as the description section on how to remove an old toilet and install a brand new toilet. So hopefully this helps, YouTubers. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and awesome. Thanks again for watching.